morning. Hello. Hi. Hello. Well, good morning. It was morning in here. It's 8:30 right now. I'm getting ready to work. So I am filming by my desk today with my new camera, and I'm so excited. It looks so good, the picture in a viewfinder. Yes, I'm gonna get in a minute, but I am happy to be here. I don't know when this video is gonna be up. I really don't know. I don't have my laptop yet. My laptop's gone bananas. So I have a MacBook Air and the battery got swollen, so I couldn't close it, and then it's just all nonsense. I am so impressed with this camera. I'm sorry. It's a Canon G7X. So my laptop died. I'm gonna get ready straight away because I am working in half an hour. So I'm using a marshmallow primer as usual. I don't buy any makeup anymore. I bought so many things from Amazon, but like no makeup or anything. So if I'm looking that way, there's a mirror. I'm just gonna keep talking anyways. So my laptop decided to be a nuisance, and I was like, okay. Whatever. What can I do? So it's gonna be a little bit kind of vloggy, not like a very professional setting today, because I'm just getting ready. I don't care, to be honest. Don't mind my nails. I've done them yesterday, so I need to paint them. Gonna paint them over my break. So yeah, so took my laptop to the Apple store to fix it. Yes, great. Before the holidays, I had a last week holiday. Don't think anyone cares about that. I don't know when it's gonna go, this video. So yeah, so took that, thought, okay, yeah, whatever, but I'm gonna vlog on my holidays. Well, I did vlog on my holidays, but then we went kayaking, well, canoeing, kayaking, whatever, and we got capsized. So that was so much fun. I had a waterproof jacket, and my phone was in there, and my camera was in case, duh, but the water still got into it, and it just decided not to work anymore. So I was like, okay, thank you. Really don't know how to film anymore. So yeah, so I was really not happy about that. I'm not gonna do anything special today. And so we dried it out. We tried to dry it out, but it didn't come back to life. So I've decided, because I wanted a new camera for quite some time, and I wanted to invest in a better camera, because, you know, guys, if you don't have a good camera and the quality of the videos is not there, I wasn't happy at all. I was really kind of, that's not really good camera, blah blah blah. So I invested in this one, in a Canon G7X, and I'm not sure, I really don't know how is it gonna play out, so I really hope that it's gonna be good, to be honest. I really hope it's gonna be good. I'm not gonna do anything really special because I have 25 minutes to go. Right, so just putting stuff in. So yeah, so camera packed out, everything went crap. Holidays, you ask if I had a good holidays. I had a very lovely holidays. I had incredibly well deserved holidays. Oh, love it. So yeah, we've done a 20-mile walk Thursday, and then we've done some canoeing, and we went to Wales, because we love Wales. Went to Brecon Beacon, and you know, they have mountains and everything there. So we actually really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it, because it was a nice Well, the weather I wouldn't say is really was something absolutely gorgeous, but do you know what? I'm gonna use today a different foundation. I'm gonna use my Shiseido because it's bloody expensive. There you go. Because it's expensive and I don't really use it as much. Don't know why though. So I'm gonna use that one today. Right, I need my mirror. So yeah, so that's that. Another thing I wanted to talk is I am changing my life. I have to confess, well, kind of confess, but not confess because I don't think anyone cares anyways. But, well, I'm a smoker. I've been smoking for 12 years, since I was 18. That is not the shade I would like. Okay, never mind, I'm gonna add something else. So I've been smoking for 12 years since I was 18. I look like a ghost. Well, we're gonna sort this out. I look like a ghost on the camera. Yes, I do look like a ghost. Never mind. So I was smoking for 12 years and I have decided I had enough, because I mean, come on you guys. What is that? Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna add a little bit of next Can't Stop Won't Stop. What is the shade? Buff. That one is the darker shade, so hopefully. Not really sure about this bloody thing. So yeah, I'm a little bit all over the place this morning. It's my first day back to work, so I'm kind of yeah. So a little bit. This is a little bit better. Maybe. Never mind. I'm gonna add some contour. So this is my first day back to work, and yeah, I love it. I really want another holiday, to be honest. Yeah, my laptop is up there, just on, because I am working. Oh, well, working. So yeah, so I have decided to change my life, well, my lifestyle, because I do not like my lifestyle. I drink too much. I blame lockdowns. Why am I so white? Well, I'm sitting in front of the window, so maybe that's why. So yeah, so I decided to change my life completely because I'm overweight, like by quite a bit, to be honest. And that's where I think I want to change. I want to change everything what I can, because I don't want to be overweight. I don't want to be a skinny, but I am not happy what I see in the mirror at this point. So I started working out today. It's Monday. It's always the best time. So it's always the best time to start working out. It's Monday. I stopped smoking. I actually stopped smoking a couple of weeks ago. So it's not like I just literally stopped everything, but I started to eat healthier. I started to exercise more. I stopped drinking because drinking is an evil. It's evil, and I have to say that, and believe me, I know that. Right, I'm very confused. Don't know how to do my makeup anymore. Just gonna set my under eyes. Very powdery. Well, you would hope, isn't it, with the powder? So yeah, even like when I'm looking at my face, I don't like my face. Like, I don't like how not like, I'm not that bloated, but I have never been this weight in my life. So I'm 68 kilos, and I am 1 meter 58, so 5'1", and this is really not good. This is really not good, and I know that, and yeah, that's why I decided I'm gonna make a change. So, and I'm making a changes. Oof, literally got powder everywhere. Usual Huda Beauty Tantor, blah blah blah. Need to get some new makeup. Honestly, I haven't tried anything new in like a long time now, so I'm gonna maybe try. So yeah, so I have not liked my life whatsoever. No, I love my life, don't get me wrong, like I live a good life, but I know I have to make a change to become better. Because in health reasons too, the be overweight like I am, I'm like getting obese. I'm joking. No, I'm not obese yet, but if I carry on, I will be. So I know you guys probably just only see my face and it's like, what's there? But believe me, there's a lot there, down there. Yeah, my belly and my legs, and it's getting like my thighs touching each other now when I'm walking, and I hate that. And I hate that feeling, and I hate be like this. Even like my neck, like this, it's a short, but my neck is so fat. Like, I know it sounds weird, but I notice those things, and that's why I want to change. So yeah, I know you guys maybe say, oh yeah, you look beautiful, but I know I don't have to. This is my personal choice, but I want to. And I know being in a lockdown for like 20,000 years didn't help at all. It at all didn't help. So, you know, I'm just adding Charlotte Tilbury make, what is it, cheek to cheek blush and a highlight, and I'm basically done. Not yet. Hold your horses. So what's happening with this channel is I am gonna do makeup still. I'm thinking gonna do some more like kind of vloggy videos, kind of different like lifestyle videos, you know, like not just about a makeup and, you know, like just a makeup. As I said before, I want to do something a bit more different, because buying makeup for me all the time, I don't think so. That's not gonna happen. Lately I really have no idea what's in the makeup world these days, so I'm like, I'm gonna try some more stuff. I have things to try, but I want to do something different too. I look cute, I think. I hope this camera is gonna be so much fun, because I really need it. I need a nice camera, nice quality camera, and just, you know, just using a L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes mascara. Not sure why is it not focusing, because it's manual, isn't it? So yeah. So yeah, so that's why I wanted to come on here at this point to explain what's happening, to explain where I've been, and you know, it's been a crazy ride. It's been a crazy ride, I have to say. So yeah, I really hope that I can actually follow with my promises, and because I like snacking and I like crisps, so I'm joking. No, I do love crisps, I have to say. Like, if I go to the office, I'm the only one who has the most insane amount of snacks and food every time. So, I need to stop that. So, yeah. I'll see how it goes. I'll keep you, well, you will see. I'll definitely let you know what I'm doing. I love this mascara. Oh, sorry. So I'm gonna use for my lips, Charlotte Tilbury, a lip cheat in Pillow Talk. I really don't know if this camera gonna go off after 20 minutes or not. What's the time? 8:45. Love this lip liner. A Huda Beauty liquid matte thingy lipstick. Right, that looks cute. I think I look cute. My hair is still wet. So this is the finished look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're having a lovely week. I hope you're having a lovely day. Yes, it didn't go off, it's 20 minutes. I hope you're having a lovely day. I hope you really are all safe and sound. I promise I'll keep posting, you guys. I'll post this video as soon as I get my laptop, to be honest. And yes, we're gonna be back to our normal schedule, and I'll see you next time. Bye.